besties, welcome back to another science experiment. Today we are going to be making a pendulum swing. As you guys have been learning about force and motion and how objects move, we're going to be putting that to the test today. I hope you guys are excited to create this experiment. First, sit down your boxes or milk crates on each side. Next, place a poster board or paper in between. Then tape the ends of the paper roll to the top of your boxes or crates. Now it's time to run our string through our water bottle. I'm going to take my string and I'm going to run it through the first hole that's in the water bottle, run it through the middle, pull it out through the side, making sure that it's even, and then you should have something that looks like this. After I got my string through the bottle, I'm going to poke a hole on the lid, and parents, you might want to do this because it might be a little bit dangerous. After you poke a hole, you're going to place some tape. Next, it's time to tie the bottle to the paper towel roll. After you tied your water bottle, you have made your pendulum. Take a step back and look at your creation before we add the paint. Now it's time for us to pour our paint in. Now that we poured our paint in, it's time to remove the tape and swing our water bottle. Watch the design it makes as it swings back and forth. Here's a question for you. What happens if you swing the pendulum gently or swing it more forcefully? Did you guys have fun making the pendulum swing? Let us know by posting your pictures and answering the question on Seesaw. I hope you guys are having such a great time, and we sure do miss seeing y'all. Bye everybody.